welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm so excited to share with you this here beautiful wig. I've actually shared a wig by this brand recently, and prior to that I actually shared a review for this brand for a gal who was absolutely fantastic. She just had an eye for gorgeous alternative hair. I did briefly talk about this on my last review, but this is by Aly Hair, Aly Wigs. And the gal who started Aly Wigs, her name was Kat. She was from Canada. She had a salon, and also she started partnering with a manufacturer, wonderful group of people, to perfect what she felt was just the most ideal wig. She was very into ethically sourcing just high quality hair, and also having just the utmost wonderful, high quality, medical grade, well-made cap construction. Then Aly Hair was born. Kat was just a phenomenal person. I was really sad to hear of her passing last year, but it was great to connect with her partner and, you know, share a few more wigs and get the word out there about these beautiful pieces. It's not very well known, and so I really felt inspired to put it out there and let you guys know that these wigs are beautiful. From the business standpoint, I know the manufacturer, you know, they are new to this endeavor, but as far as their research and their devotion to creating really high quality wigs, it's top notch. This here is just the most beautiful Aly Hair wig. This is a fresh new color that they sent me to put out there, and I absolutely love it. This is more of a very light ashy blonde with a very light root, and they did an impeccable job with this color. Like usual, the cap construction is incredible, and the hair quality itself is bar none, like some of the best I've tried. You guys will have to reach out to Kathy at Aly Hair if you have any questions, any requests, any concerns. Definitely reach out to them on their website, or you can find them on Instagram and reach out to them there. They do have quite a bit posted on their website, but if there's anything specific you're looking for, just reach out to them. You know, just let them know what you're looking for. And do take note that this is no cheaply made wig, and this isn't low quality hair. This is very good human hair, very high quality human hair. I've tried a lot of hair in my day, and this is good stuff. But even at that, with the high quality that they're offering, you know, the prices are quite competitive, if not better than some of your very high-end retailers and wig brands and wig stores that are out there. Without further ado, let's talk about this gorgeous style. I did wash it and I styled it. It came kind of bone straight, really cute, just a straight style, more with the hair kind of like dried with it back off the face, which can be worn. It has an incredible lace front. It does come with the lace intact, so I did trim the lace. I did a reel on Instagram if you wanted to check that out, of myself actually trimming the lace off this here wig. I like to use pinking shears because it gives that scalloped appearance. I just feel like it is more durable, because with pinking shears, they're used with fabrics when people sew, and this is a material that's very delicate and light, and the pinking, that crisscross pattern with the pinking shears is going to help that very delicate lace material, going to help it limit the amount of fraying that people will see with those delicate lace fronts. And then sometimes if you cut a very stark, straight, blunt line with just any old pair of shears, that's actually more visible than doing a more crisscross, like pinking shear pattern, if that makes sense. I don't even know if I make sense. If you guys are grasping what I'm saying, that's fantastic. If not, this whole pinking shear thing is neither here nor there when it comes to the beauty and me showing you this beautiful wig. So let's move on. I'm going to do a full turnaround to show you this gorgeous style. like I mentioned, I did curl this. I washed it. It washed wonderfully. I dried it. It dried wonderfully. And then I styled it. And it's just gorgeous. It's freshly styled today. So this is going to last quite a while. I am guessing that these here beautiful curls are going to possibly relax, but I'm okay with that. I like, you know, more of a springy curl that you see right here, and then over time it will get even more loose as I wear it. And it's just such a beautiful, beautiful color with lovely human hair strands. It's the type of hair that you want to just continue running your fingers through because it feels that good. Anyway, let's do a turnaround of this here wig. It's just awesome. Now let me show you that lace front. It is so good. When somebody says lace front goals, this is what I'm referring to. It is a fantastic lace front. So what you have with these caps is you have a beautiful sheer lace front, a Swiss lace front. So it's nice and sheer, it's fantastic. But you do have a silk top, which is also fantastic. However, there's a transition between the lace and the silk. So it's nothing that's like exceptionally noticeable to me, but when you get up close, if you're looking for it, you might see somewhat of a transition. Now, if it bothers you, you can use a little bit of makeup or whatnot to kind of help blend that. But up close, you can see that I have this lace front and then that transitions into that silk top. You can part it every which way. You can pull it off the face. You can do creative styling, but there is somewhat of a transition between the silk and the lace, as you can see. So just be aware of that when you have two different types of, you know, constructions that meet together. There's going to be somewhat of a transition between the two. Okay, let's take this beautiful wig off and show you the underside. So look at that hair. This color is so beautiful. This is just their very, very light ashy blonde. It does look ashy in a lot of lighting situations. Last night looked very, very ashy. It looked very ashy after I had washed it. In some lighting situations, I feel like it kind of has a creamy look to it. But all in all, it's just a very like light blonde with a creamy slash ashy appearance. I do believe you can have a creamy ash. That might sound weird, but I feel like it is. You know, at first I'm like, this is a creamy blonde, and then in certain lights I'm like, okay, that's actually ashy, like they said. I do love that light root. It's just not so, I don't know, harsh. Sometimes when you have those really, really dark roots, it can just look really harsh next to the other color. And this is just a nice, soft, light root, and it blends beautifully into this nice blonde. So the color distribution, the technique that they've used to color this here wig is really great. They did a fantastic job. And I mean, it's just a beautiful, beautiful wig. Look at that human hair. It's bouncy, it's beautiful, it has a perfect amount of shine. It's not too shiny, but it looks healthy and it feels healthy as well. Let's talk about this very durable, well-made cap construction. Okay, so we have this premium European human hair. And then what you have is a hand-tied wefted blend. And what they mean by that is most of this wig is hand-tied, but down around the nape area, you have some closed wefting. Most of it is hand-tied, with the exception of down there around the nape, underneath like the ear tab area, if that makes sense. You have that multi-directional, natural-looking silk top up here. And then you have this temple to temple Swiss lace front for a natural hairline. You can pull it away from the face if you'd like, and it looks really, really good. Now what you have is you have silicone on the ear tabs, and you have it on the top of the cap. This is very grippy. It's fantastic for those who have total hair loss, people who just need more grip on the underside of their cap. You have this really nice snug cap fit. It just grips the head without the need for adhesives. That's really nice because you can just plop it on and it's going to stay put. Some of these very nice wigs with, you know, a lot of Swiss lace around the ear tabs and stuff, there's no other choice but to use adhesives. You have to, because, you know, the ear tabs are going to flop around. You do need to use adhesives with some of these very high-end wigs. With this is very nice, but it's medical grade and you don't have to use adhesives. This is going to stay nice and flat against, you know, the temples, and it's going to feel great as well. It's going to grip because of the silicone, and you actually have this little loop right here. And what I'm thinking and what I'm assuming, and based on their description, is it's really comfortable for those who wear glasses. Now you have the adjustable strap with closures down at the nape. It's nice and soft down at the nape as well. And then what's really nice is under this cap construction, under that silk, you have this really, really comfortable soft jersey material for added comfort. This is just buttery soft jersey material, you guys. It's awesome. And if you can see that shiny material, you have that grippy material all the way around that jersey fabric. So, you know, all in all, this is just a very well-made, durable, high-quality, medical-grade cap construction. And then you have that temple-to-temple Swiss lace front. You have all that grippy material. You have the jersey material as well that's very comfortable against the head. And then you have this high-quality human hair. I've just always been impressed with these Aly Hair wigs. I was from the beginning when I had, you know, long conversations with Kat about what she preferred for the wigs that she wanted to put out in the world. And now that she's not here, I know that her partner's trying to navigate how to get the word out and, you know, let people know what they have available, which is just high quality wigs. So you guys definitely check out Aly Hair. Go find them on their social media platform. If you need to reach out, talk to them, you want to order something, reach out to Kathy. She's fantastic. She's super sweet and down to earth. And, you know, get yourself an Aly Hair wig. I do have a few Aly Hair wigs on my Instagram account, Frugally Fabricate Your Fringe. That's just an Instagram account where I will share gently used wigs, barely worn wigs that I will post for, you know, highly discounted prices. And I have these brand new Aly Hair wigs, just a handful of them, up for grabs on there if you wanted to check out that Instagram, as well as their Aly Hair website. You guys check it out. I love these wigs. They are fabulous. I wear them all the time, and I love styling them. I love touching them. They are the human hair that, you know, that you've always wanted. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank Kathy at Aly Wigs for entrusting me to, you know, share these beautiful wigs with you and get the word out there. I was very saddened to hear about Kat, but I'm glad that they are, you know, putting out these Aly wigs and trying to share them with the world and those who need them. You guys, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Like I mentioned, reach out to Kathy at Aly Hair, Aly Wigs if you're interested. Go follow them on their social media platform. Go follow me on Instagram. Let me know your thoughts about this beautiful light ashy creamy blonde with a light root. And how do you like these curls that I added into this beautiful style? I'm going to put it back on actually and let you know of the cap size. This is a medium and this is 14 inches. You guys, I almost let you go without letting you know those couple of details. So, you guys, give me your thoughts, comment below. You know the drill. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Okay, bye.